cloudy in north central Texas. Southeastern Jack County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Mineral Wells State Park, or 10 miles north of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail at 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.